see you. And for those of you that are new here, welcome. My name is Dolores, better known as the Baking Diva. And on my channel, I make all kinds of sweet and savory desserts. I make keto, I make low carb, and lately I've been putting a lot of Weight Watcher recipes in there because I've had so many requests for them. So I hope you'll enjoy my channel, and if you do, you'll hit the subscribe and the little bell next to it. So you'll see more of my upcoming videos for the holidays. So, what am I making for you today? Well, I am making for you this yummy dessert, and let me tell you, you can have 6 of these for 4 points. That's right, you heard me right. So I am making for you what I'm going to call Weight Watcher Phyllo Dessert Bites. And for those, we are going to be using our Phyllo shells. I'll put a picture of this in. You can find these in the frozen food department of your local store. And this is by Athens. Athens Phyllo shells. They're already baked, and all you have to do is just fill them. And according to the box, it says here, let me see, that there are 30 calories per serving. There's 7 servings in this box. There's 2 shells per serving. So what do you say we get started? What a yummy dessert these are going to make. And they will certainly fit into your Weight Watcher plan. Sorry for the tapping noise. It's my dog. She's tapping her feet on the tile. Why? I don't know. When you open up your Phyllo shells, this is what it's going to look like. And you will have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 shells in here. So let me take the plastic off. You can get a better look at them. Here you go. And they're small, but as you can see, oopsie, as you can see, they're already baked and they're ready to fill. Now, I like to put them in my air fryer, not for long, not even a minute, just to crisp them up a little bit. You don't have to, but that's what I'm going to do now. So let me just pull out the drawer of my air fryer. Now, you don't have to do that. According to the box, it tells you that, let me see, oh, here it is. According to the box, it tells you that if you want to crisp them up a little, you can preheat your oven or your toaster oven to 350 degrees, remove the shells from the packaging, place them on the baking tray, and bake for like 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. But I'm going to put them in my air fryer since I already have it here, and I'm just going to throw them in there for a minute or so. So here we go. I will tell you, other than the fact that a lot of my subscribers have asked me and are thrilled that I'm doing Weight Watcher and low carb recipes, in addition to that, one of the reasons that I started on a little bit of a Weight Watcher journey was because mainly not only to lose weight but for health reasons. Not long ago I had blood work taken and some of my numbers were a little bit elevated, and I thought, well, maybe if I start eating a little bit more healthy, let's say, I can get those numbers down. So that's one of the reasons. I've never really been obese, but you know, I would be very happy to lose 10 or 15 pounds. So that's why I'm doing a lot more Weight Watcher recipes. So let me put this in the air fryer. Put it on, air fry, and I'm just going to put it on a minute or so and then I'll check it. Okay. So are any of you getting ready for the holidays? I can't believe it. Today's November 1st already. Oh, and I just saw that the shopping center near me is putting up all their Christmas decorations and their lights. I'm not ready. I just got over Halloween. We still have Thanksgiving to go. But anyway, it is what it is, and Christmas is my favorite time of year. So I'm hoping to bring to you some Weight Watcher friendly and some low carb desserts for the holidays. So let me let this finish off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so I set my air fryer on like 2 minutes. I think I left it on like 390. Like I said, these are already baked, so we're just crisping them up a little tiny bit. So let me put them on a plate here. What I love about this recipe is, like, after dinner tonight when I want a little dessert, or they're hot, or maybe you just want a snack. Maybe you want to make these if you're having company and you want to serve something low carb. They really do hit the spot. And like I said, give me 6 of these little babies for 4 points. I'm happy. Okay, so I put them all on the plate. I'm going to set that aside for now. Now, in a small bowl, I'm going to put a half a cup of Greek non-fat yogurt. I happen to have been in Trader Joe's, so I bought that because I use this for a lot of things. But you can use any Greek non-fat plain yogurt. So I'm going to put a half a cup in my bowl here. Let's get all of this lusciousness out of here. Okay. And to that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. Okay. Alrighty, move that to the side. I'm also going to add a splash of vanilla extract, just a little splash. That's a good splash. I love vanilla, but I love almond more. And I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of some orange zest. I already zested that off camera. I'm going to mix all this together. You don't even need a mixer for this. You don't even need a whisk for this. You can just use a spoon. Make sure it's all well combined. Okay, I'm going to take a different spoon because I want to taste it. That orange zest gives it a nice little zest, a little zing. And there's no sugar in this, so the maple syrup gives it a tiny bit of sweetness. Now, I used regular maple syrup in here. If you want to use sugar-free maple syrup, I'll leave that up to you. But now I'm going to take my little phyllo shells and I'm going to fill them with the little mixture. Alrighty. Oh, my mouth is watering already. All right, and I'll put some pictures, some stills in the video for you, and I will put the recipe in the description box, as I always do. So, I mean, you're not going to find anything much easier than this. I don't think so. Fix that one. I mean, I don't know about you, but anybody, whoopsie, that's on Weight Watchers or counting Weight Watcher points, I use this fat-free Greek yogurt for a lot of things. Now, this is how I make it. I'm not saying that you can't make it your own way. I mean, if you prefer to have this sweeter and you want to use maybe some stevia in here, I'll leave that up to you, but this is how I like it. So I'm going to fill these up. Okay. Since 6 of them only equals 4 points, I'm only going to fill up probably 12 of these. It's enough mixture for 12. Alrighty. Now, I think they need to be fancied up a little tiny bit. And maybe let's move the 2 out of there that I didn't fill. Put my bowl aside. Here you go. Now, what can we top these with? Well, you know, berries are great for you on Weight Watchers, right? And they're delicious too. So I think I'm going to top each one of these with a raspberry. So I washed my raspberries. My hands are clean. Oh, look at that. How pretty. Now, don't tell me that you won't be satisfied with 6 of these. I know I will, and I am a sweet lover. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Yum, yum. All right. So, I mean, there we have it. Here's a little close-up for you before I put them in the refrigerator to chill them. Don't they look delicious? And I hate to repeat myself, but 6 of these babies for 4 points. Okay, I just took these babies out of the refrigerator and I chilled them. You don't have to, but I like them better that way. So we're gonna do a taste testing now and see what I think. Remember, we're allowed to have, 6 of these. All right, here we go. Look at that. Yum. All righty. Crunchy. Crunchy from the phyllo dough. The yogurt is creamy with just a very slight hint of the maple syrup in it. So if you like them sweeter than this, you could probably put a touch more maple syrup in there if you want, or a little sweetener, but I like them like this. And then we have the raspberry on the top. Very, very satisfying and delicious. You do not have to deprive yourself. Weight Watchers doesn't want that. They want you to be able to enjoy all your foods in moderation and follow your points. And I have no trouble at all feeling that I satisfied my sweet tooth and had a dessert eating 6 of these. So, good. Oh. If you enjoyed this and you like the recipe and you'd like to see more, just go down and hit that red subscribe and the little bell next to it, because I have many more coming. And with the holidays, woohoo, my favorite time of year. So anyway, thank you all for taking time out of your schedule to watch me make these. I appreciate each and every one of you. I really do. And I hope to see you again soon. Have a wonderful day and love you all. Toodles! 2 thumbs up.